beam assembly is hoisted up, and I didn't get dead. There's no way to do that. No way for me to do that with what I got by myself without actually getting underneath of it. But check this out. Those temporary wooden columns are out of there. There's one there, there's one right there. I took those out. All of the entire roof sitting on that beam there now. And this column, that one's welded in. And I've got a clip welded in, and it's bolted to that beam, the wooden beam. I got the 3/4 pins run through that base plate, down through the concrete. I've already hammer drilled that, beat the pins in there, and welded the pin to the plate. That one is the only one that's actually welded right now. The rest of these columns they're just sitting there, but I'll use a temporary column and a bottle jack, and I'll get these plumb and then some. But this went really good. Thanks to the shyster and Alice. And Alice was actually the key to this, the way the hydraulics leak off on that old girl. Because, you know, I'm by myself. I just raised this sumbitch up a little bit higher than I needed to. And then I run over here and grab the column and hold the column plumb and just wait. And she'd leak off and the beam would sit down on the column and nice.